everyone. This is Kaia. I love you, Daddy, and love you, Papa Kabo. Today I'm going to use makeup. This is for my eyeglass. It's really so important, right, Dad?
Sure. Yes.
I'm going to use this. And also this.
What's that, Kaia?
Cheeks.
That's for your blush on.
Blush. So we need to open it and use it, Dad. Right, Dad?
It's 10 o'clock.
It's really so minutes. But seriously, I said use it so fast. And then I said put it on my dad. Right, Dad? Thanks, Dad.
Are you talking to your dad?
Yeah. So I will use this. This for eyeglasses.
For your cheeks?
Huh? Just cheeks.
This is for your eyes.
No, just that one is small and this one is big. Alright, I should put this over here. Something more up here.
Let me see. Show it to them. Can you see it, guys?
Can you see it, guys? He said yes. Now I need to put this. Thank you, Mom. It's really so important, right, guys? It's so important.
Oh no! That's okay.
Is that one?
You dropped it, but that's okay.
Guys, I'm going to be the rainbow, okay? I'm gonna be a rainbow.
No, you have to finish your makeup first so you can see the color.
Wait, I use this? Dad. Now put this. Done. Now put on the top.
Oh no! You dropped it again! That's okay. I'll use the lipstick then.
Now I'm going to use the lipstick for my dad. Papa Gabo, watch me. Mommy, is Papa Gabo sleeping?
Oh, he's watching.
Oh, right. No, Papa Gabo. Do you see me? My lipstick is so long. But purple, pink. Mommy, how about you put 2 colors?
Just one for you, baby.
Okay. How about we make some one together with this? It smells like sorry.
Let me see. Okay.
Now we need something, Mommy.
What do you need?
I need eyeglasses.
Eyeglasses?
Eyeshadow.
Shadow. I'm gonna use this.
I use this, guys, for like crying.
It's Kylie.
I'm going to use this. Mommy,
what color do you like?
Mom, I'm going to put all the colors.
All the colors? Just one.
Okay. I'm going to put the crying.
Okay.
I'm going to put crying. Why?
It's not there. It's not there. I look like this now, guys?
No. I'm going to put it too fast. Let's go.
so pretty.
Mommy,
Oh, enough.
now what's next?
I'm gonna brush everything.
No, I'm gonna use this for my dad.
For your nose.
Yeah. It's so golden. Over here.
Yeah, have to blend it out.
Mm-hmm. A lot. A lot.
On your face. Yeah, put it on.
That'd be well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Not on your eyes enough. Wow! You're so pretty now.
I'm
You're so golden.
yeah. Nice.
Wow, you're so shiny.
Daddy will see me.
Yeah, he'll see you and he will say,
My hands are glittery.
say bye-bye.
Bye bye. No.
Kiss them, kiss.